Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Blind FC kalay ora ek nam Lahduh hak blind football tournament hadian bagi job ek rang Legit United FC dahan dru ko lalai hak jing lekai final ke balapelong Hamadan jong rang Legit United FC Sports Development Society football ground penthor kra Shillong hak at photore unai wiang arja arpasau yak ni kelumpung lekai ba arsengi kata hak khat khandai ba at photore unai wiang arja arpasau lapenya the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs but State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Hagajia Trelang but Bethany Society, but Garang Legit United FC. Kajing temu jong nega tournament kalong kum kawe nega jing pen pau jong kajila, ban pen iya kasap but kajing start jong kinong yelekai, kibadan jing duna du khotman. Kibaya kun haka nega tournament kilong ka SRCDA Frontliners FC, Garang Legit United FC Junior Team, Kalat Kanso FC, but ka Meghalaya Blind Football Team FC. Hagan isngi ya nam man of the match la yo do Freddy Nongrum but ya nam top scorer la yo do Klingson di Marang. Uba DP walang IAS Chief Secretary ulalong kumukong san hagan isngi.
All the best.
Office Jungi Commissioner for Person Disabilities naga Sarkar Meghalaya ni kwa bagandon ka awareness namata ki pajba ba kibun ki beri beran jingdonat khatmet ba kibun ki skills ki jongki let's say ni ken sting shapanga disability tamangi tip ba ka jela ke jungi ngidan kumba saw hajar ngut ki persons with disabilities but ngi kwa bagandon ka awareness na menta ka imlang salang bagi ninla banirap ni snok tilang nangba kani ke jing yalang ke jungi ke berit ni peni ba ki don ki players ki ba bam UI ki ba matla tamai ki lekai kum lekai ki briu ki bayu I but nangba ke jing peni kini ki ars ni mi don da ka jing irap na dong jongka rang legit Development Society United niyo ban ya trilang batki but kiwe ki kin honru Bethany Society ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs limba ke jingirap jongka ban ka jingkir shan jongka Social Welfare Department niyo ban pen isha ba nila ban le kani de ka sin ning tong ba sarkar kami sarkar jilla ka kale kum kani te lesi ngin dani bingila ban pen sapriang ya kani ka jingela kai kiwe pat ki district ki nong kendong ngin iba kala benlong ka career ne kata ka jing penyok kam ya ki kena ki jongi ki petebit ne ki pat tip bagi tebit ru kin yo kata ka jing irap ban ya chakmat kani ru kolong ka jing rakhi jong ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities arjar ar pusaw ka ba rakhi borok keleng ka perthai te ya kani ngibu ka kerteng ka Empower Fest 2.0 rakhi jong International Day of Persons with Disabilities kelas sedang nado por kadon ka United Nations ki don kata ka United Nations Convention for the Rights of Persons with Disabilities tamba kani ke Empower Fest ni sedang nado sedang balalej arjar arko lai but ngiyo ban penlong ya kani ban penrakhi ban pen isha kita ki jing tebit namba bon ki te kani ngila sedang nado benai August ngila pet ka arts ngila pet ka livelihood ngila pet ru ya ka education but menta ka deka sports but haka lai trik pat ngindan kata ka jing rakhi jong kani ka sngi
3,000 kilometers away from here, why should they suffer and go all the way there? When we could barely take 3 steps, in fact, forget about 3,000 kilometers. So we wait for your proposal, and I'm sure that once it comes to the government, we'll be out there to support in our capacity, different capacities. I'm sure something will fructify very soon. I would like to take this opportunity also of thanking all of you this morning, especially those who are in this field. It's very, very challenging, I can see it, and I would like to congratulate the football players, despite the challenge that they have, but they're living life to the fullest. It's very encouraging. It's I can feel it was very, very difficult for me. So I'm sure that it's difficult for them too. But it's the mindset which is important. I can assure you only one thing: we are all here to support all of you in whatever endeavors you take up. And I'm sure that by working together, we'll ensure that we'll give a better life to each and every one of them. Thank you, Kong Bertha. I still have to say Sister Bertha because she's like my elder sister. In fact, we grew up in the same neighborhood many decades back, and soon as I said that it's me who's here, and I was very excited. As much as I was excited to see her, that more than 35-40 years back when we grew up together in Jayao. I'm sure, Kong Bertha, we are there to support you. We are supporting your organization and the association which is there also. We are there with you, and I'm sure that we will work together and we will walk together and ensure that you have a better life, all of you.